Alright, so it say what is 3 1/4 minus 1 and 5/7? Feel that man? So my log, you know. So we're gonna do the conversion, right? And so we have yellow coin, that's easy. So we have 3 1/4, so minus 1 and 5/7. Three, well, we can say 3 4s 12 and 1 13. So that's 13/4. 177 plus 1, that's 12/7. So we find our LCM, which would be 28. 4 into 28, 7 times, so we multiply 7. 7 3 is 21, 7 so that's 91. 7 into this 4 times, 4 times that 48. 8 from 1, we can't, so we borrow, that leave 8. And then we have 11, so 3. And then 4 from 8, leave 4. So it's 43/28. How many 28 we can get out of it? 1. 2 carry to 30, and that's 15. So 15/28. So that would be B. So that one would be B. Let's move on to the next one. A property is sold for $1.25 million. The two owners receive half of the money each. How many money do they each receive? Stop me that one, guys. Yeah, right there. That's it. Recall it. So basically, guys, we know say 1 1/4 million means say 1,250,000, right? We don't necessarily have to write out all of them 0 0. We can simply divide it by this, right? And then we have an idea. 2 into 1, you can't. 2 into this, 6. Hold the rub off that one, please. Thanks. Right? So we have 2 into that. 2 6 is 12, right? Subtract, you get to 0. Carry down your 5. 2 into 5, 2 times. And then I get 0.5. So that means it should be this. See there? 625. And then we just add on back the zeros. So that would have been B. So you now have to divide it out, all of that. Because remember, multiple choice in an exam, yeah, time is very important. All right, let's move on to 20. 2 and 2/5 divided by a half. All right, so solve 2 and 2/5 divided by a half. So we're going to convert the 2 and 2/5 to improper. 2, 5, 10 plus 2, 12 over 5 divided by a half. What does the rule say when we are dividing? Write back the first fraction, so write back the 12 over 5, change the division to multiplication, and then we reciprocate. And then, of course, 12 times 2, 24 over 5. How many groups of 5 we can get to 24? 4 times 5, 4, 20, remainder 4 over 5. So that leaves us with A. Pretty straightforward. So just remember, once we're dividing, we change to multiplication, or we have to reciprocate, or as you guys like to say, flip. You flip the last fraction. Some students would say turn it upside down. All right, let's go. 2 1/4 times 3 over 8. 2 1/4 times 3 over 8. Go ahead and do that one. Somebody said, oh, I got 72. I didn't get any 72. What are the guys? There was no 72. It's 12. Guys, we not follow this up, man. Right, but the first fraction, change to multiplication and reciprocate. Sorry about that, guys. Somebody seems to think that it's 72. We can't make it slide like that. All right, let's go on. It's okay, man. All right, 21. On 21. All right, so this one says solve 2 1/4 multiplied by 3/8. So 2 1/4 times 3 over 8. Do the conversion. 2 4 is 8 and 1, 9 over 4 times 3 over 8. The rule says numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 9 3 is 27, 4 8 is 32. That left with A. So numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. All right. A cook uses 2.5 pounds of flour for a pudding. She needs half of this weight of sugar. What is the total weight of flour and sugar? Oh, I need to show D. Hold on. Option D not in there. Mm-hmm. Mosquito will bite me. All right. So you say a cook uses 2.5 flour pudding. She needs half the weight of the sugar. Half the weight of sugar. What is the total weight of the flour and the sugar? So there's no way it can be them two here. Because the flour alone more than this. So it have to be either this or this. Right? Alright, we could find a half of 2.5. If you try divide by a half, it'll go wrong, right? It'll go double. So what we do, we divide it by 2. 2 2 is 4, and that 5 over 2 times 1 over 2. 5 ones 5. I think that's why some persons a bit confused. 5 ones 5 over 4. So it's 1.25. So if you have 1.25, you add 2.5 to it. So easy become 3 3/4. We don't need no bugger something to do this. Alright, let's move on to 23. Solve 24 minus 16 divided by 4. Yeah, Roger, I agree with yours. And pause the video. Good job. Alright, clock eye. Pause the video for a cause. Alright, so you have 24 minus 16 divided by 4. Order of operation. Alright, so we have to divide first, down before. 16 divided by 4, 4. And then, what going on? Oh, that's 20. So it's D for dog, alright? Let's open the mic. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, your hand was up? No, no.
Oh, no worries, sir. No worries. It was accident.
Okay. Alright, so Sunday again, guys. Take care till Sunday.
Sir,
Hmm?
wait, you said this was the last one?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, bye, sir.
Take care. Sunday again, alright? Mm-hmm.
Bye, sir.
Bye, big up. Take care, Courtney. Alright? Sunday again,
Bye,
we'll meet
sir.
again. Yeah, bye.
Bye,
Take care.
sir.
Remember that person your name,
Sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Hmm? Come on, it's a boy, man.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care, Ely, Khalil. Good job, alright? Yeah, well, good, man.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. We made a couple of mistakes, but it was good overall. Oh, entity that. Okay. Got that name the all well. We need to save it. Alright. Alright, guys. We start in 3 minutes. Alright. Let me just stop the video here and thing.